Welcome to BuyTheDip.news. Today is June 23, 2026. Our AI model found 6 stocks today with both an article rating of buy and a metric score rating of buy, based on our fundamental and technical analysis. In this video we cover 3 of them. Here's the breakdown. The following content is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always conduct your own research before making any investment decisions. MSFT Microsoft Corporation. Technology sector. Software infrastructure. Microsoft Corporation MSFT opened its first data center in Mount Pleasant, Wisconsin, earlier than expected, with the facility operating and supporting nearly 550 employees. The opening is part of a larger $4.7 billion investment push in Wisconsin, with Microsoft expecting to spend about $4 billion in the state between 2024 and 2028 as it builds out computing infrastructure and related facilities. The new campus gives Microsoft Corporation additional capacity while bringing new jobs and investment to the region, while construction has already begun on a second building at the Mount Pleasant campus with completion expected in 2028. The project highlights how quickly large technology companies are expanding their physical footprint as demand for cloud computing continues to rise. Microsoft shares gained about 1.8% in early trading after the announcement, though hiring could continue as activity at the campus expands. Here are the key growth metrics for MSFT: sales growth trailing 12 months, 17.9%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 18.7%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 49.6%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 68.3%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 32.7%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 70.50 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize, MSFT article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 70.50 out of 100, metric rating, buy. MET, a Meta Platforms Incorporated communication services sector. Internet content and information. Meta Platforms, Meta, debuted Meta Glasses, a new line of AI-powered smart glasses designed in-house with eyewear giant EssilorLuxottica, with a new starting price of $299 down from $379 for Ray-Ban Meta and $499 for Oakley Meta. The glasses will be available in 3 styles, Meta Adventurer, Meta Fury, and Meta by Kylie, with Kylie Jenner's voice-activated voice assistant integrated into Meta's Muse Spark AI model, priced at $399. Meta's push into the smart glasses market continues as CEO Mark Zuckerberg said the number of people using its glasses daily tripled year over year, while Q1 Reality Labs segment revenue fell 2% year over year on slower Quest headset sales, but continued strong AI glasses sales helped offset some of the decline. Here are the key growth metrics for MET: sales growth trailing 12 months, 26.2%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 19.7%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 46%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 81.9%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 29.3%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 77.20 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize, MET article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 77.20 out of 100, metric rating, buy. AJG Arthur J. Gallagher & Company, together with its subsidiaries. Financial services sector. Insurance brokers. AJG announced the acquisition of Ohio-based Cincinnati Benefit Solutions, LLC's employee benefit services for small businesses in Cincinnati and nearby areas, expanding its small group benefits consulting capabilities in the Great Lakes region. Terms of the transaction were not disclosed, but Arthur J. expects the acquisition to strengthen its position in small business benefits consulting across the region. The company added chart magnifying glass to its platform, adding a new tier of chart-based data visualization capabilities. The acquisition adds a new layer of visibility into the companion euro and strengthens its global insurance, risk management, and consulting capabilities. Here are the key growth metrics for AJG: sales growth trailing 12 months, 25.3%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 16%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 23%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 90.8%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 33.8%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 72.20 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize, AJG article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 72.20 out of 100, metric rating, buy. That wraps up today's 3 buy-rated stocks. There are 3 more buy-rated stocks today that you can view at BuyTheDip.news, along with full analysis for every stock. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe for daily signals. Visit BuyTheDip.news to access buy-rated stocks and full growth metrics in real time, the moment they are available rather than after market hours. along with hundreds of additional stocks that weren't rated a buy each trading day. See you next time.